Hey everyone, and welcome back to Gardening with Ben. I'm going to share a little tip what I do down at the allotment to water my courgettes, my pumpkins, my marrows. This stops the base of the courgette or the pumpkin rotting away, which can happen when watering. So let's have a look what we do. So basically all we do is we sink a large plant pot at the side of the plant, and when you're watering, water into the plant pot rather than around the courgette and the pumpkin plant. This will then go down to the roots of the plant and it will water it from the base of it rather than rotting the stem away, which can happen when you water them. As you can see, we've got a little pumpkin coming already. So yeah, when watering, water into the plant pot rather than the courgette plant. And you could always put some food in there and water straight into it, like chicken pellets and stuff like that, because sometimes they can rot the plant as well. So put some chicken pellets or some food in there and then just water into the plant pots and it'll go to the roots of the courgettes and the pumpkin plants. So I hope you found that tip useful. Remember to give us a follow, give us a subscribe, give us a like, and leave a comment in the bottom as well to help push these videos out. Until next time, remember, keep smiling, keep shining, and keep gardening with Ben, everyone.